Paggawa ng Enjoy Popcorn. Hatid sa inyo ng Enjoy, helping thousands of successful Enjoypreneurs with their negosyo. Your snack on the go is here. Hindi lang masarap, madali pang gawin ng Enjoy Popcorn. Kailangan lang i-press ang warm button ng popcorn machine. Pagkatapos, maglagay ng uncooked popcorn kernels and oil sa cooker ng popcorn machine. Ibaba ang takip. Switch on the turn and heat buttons ng popcorn machine. 2 to 3 minutes ang cooking time ng Enjoy Popcorn. Kapag wala nang marinig na popping sound ng mga popcorn, it's time to switch off the turn and heat buttons. And yes, your Enjoy Popcorn is now ready! Ilagay ito sa container and sprinkle 6 tablespoons of seasoning. You may choose from cheese, barbecue, or sour cream. Takpan ang container and shake. Then, ibalik ang inyong seasoned Enjoy Popcorn sa loob ng machine to keep its freshness and delicious taste. Affordable, easy to prepare, delicious! Pop na pop ang inyong snacks with Enjoy Popcorn. Huling-huli mo ang panlasa ng inyong customers. Enjoy, partner ng pamilya sa negosyo, tupad pangarap ng Pilipino.